Hello, dear Libra. Welcome to my channel, and this is your September monthly reading. Okay, for the sign of Sun, Moon, Rising, whether you follow Western, North Indian, or South Indian astrology, this is for you. Let's start. Let's see what are the general energies that are coming for this month, first half of September and second half. So your cards are already out. You've got the Three of Stars and the Death card. Now, this is telling me, Libra, that there is a fear or pain around a situation which has ended. I do see endings in your life, end of relationship, end of job, end of business, separation, distance, departure. As if you're leaving something behind and moving on with a life, right? But you're still in that painful energy, you're still carrying the hurt if that's a love relationship that ended, if you lost a loved one, or if you changed the job or ended the job, or you were thrown out or someone left you, right? Any of that situation, endings definitely will happen in the month of September, which means be prepared, there will be endings. There is a change, major change that is coming in your life, but it is coming to transform you. There is something which I see that you are not doing right, and that is why there is a constant separation and a need for transformation. If you work on yourself, probably you will be able to find that your life will become better. But if you do not work on yourself, there is going to be constant endings and upheaval in your life. The death card talks about, especially for those people who are waiting for some situation of reconciliation. If you're waiting on that, then the death card and the Three of Stars both talk about separation. You're already going through a no contact separation situation, and this relationship has ended long time ago. This relationship has died long time ago and you cannot revive it, and that is why the only thing that you need to do is change your mindset, change your expectations around this relationship, and then move forward. The same applies for your career also. You have to leave something behind in order to move for what is better. There is a need for work on yourself and transformation also that is going to come. All endings are not bad, okay? So don't get disheartened that something has ended for you. Be ready to work on yourself and be ready to change also. Let me clarify the death card once more. Renewal, rebirth, and a new direction will show. Yes, this is also a card of renewal. So something is going to renew for you. Okay, a relationship will end, a relationship will renew. It is like a rebirth. Maybe you will transform to a better person, right? For better or for worse. If you have been a positive person, you might go through some changes in your life which will make you very negative. Or if you've gone through constant negative outcomes in your life, now you will end the constant negative thinking and decide to start thinking positively. So this is a major month for you, major transformational month for you. You will see that the life around you has changed a lot. The second half talks about Abyss and Hermit. Both talk about your powerful intuition, both talk about your spiritual wisdom. Now the thing is, Libra, you are a powerful person, right? You are intuitive, but do you really follow your intuition? Do you really follow the right path, or do you get influenced by other people, is what you have to ask. I do see that with the Abyss, there are some times where you do not take timely action. You have a habit of procrastinating, not making the right decisions, right? Getting influenced around with people or your own negative mindset, whatever it is, you need to correct that. I also see with the Hermit here that some sort of truth will be revealed. A fact check will be done this month, which will be like an eye opener for you, which will change a lot in your life, right? You will see that whatever decisions you made in the past, you will try to correct them. You're seeking truth of a situation, of a reality. Whether where do I want to be, who do I want to be with, whether this relationship is good for me or not, should I move or should I leave, right? All these questions you will be sitting with yourself, Libra, and asking this. And trust me, once you do that, once you follow your intuition, once you listen to your intuition, you will be able to find the right answer. And I know a lot of you are stuck on a decision or confused about a decision, but don't worry, since September is going to be a transformational month for you, you're definitely going to find the answers this month. So be aware, okay? Be aware and connected to your intuition so that you can find your answers on time. And yes, this was your general reading. If you guys resonated with it, liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to book any personal readings, rituals, or counseling sessions, I do take them as well. Please email me at my email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please follow and DM me on Instagram if you want your booking to be done. My prices are very budgeted, okay, very budget range, which starts at 215 rupees, and for audio video call sessions also it's very budgeted. So you can check out the prices, you can email or DM me to know them. Take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.